The StartX Remote Start Kit offers an effortless way to start your Toyota Avalon or Camry remotely, ensuring a comfortable vehicle temperature before you even step inside. This kit is specifically designed for push-to-start vehicles from 2012 to 2018, making it a perfect fit for those who own compatible Avalon and Camry models. With a unique T-harness, the installation process is straightforward and eliminates the need for any wire cutting or splicing, maintaining the integrity of your vehicle's wiring. You can easily start your car by pressing the lock button 3 times on your existing factory remote, which means no additional remote is required for operation. The StartX Remote Start Kit is engineered and designed in North America, reflecting a high standard of quality and reliability, backed by excellent customer support. This product is a leading choice in the remote starter market, trusted by tens of thousands of satisfied customers for its reliable and user-friendly features.